Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2014 to present Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500 single rear wheel pickups. We put a 2-inch zone off-road leveling on the front, some 20 by 12 Ballistic Rage 959 wheels. They're black with a milled window, and some 35 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter RT tires. Now these tires come in a 12 ply, and since he's got his 3/4 ton truck and he hauls his big 40-foot boat with it, he wanted a 12 ply tire because 10 plies just won't last as long as a 12 ply. We put some Bushwhacker pocket fender flares. We painted them to color match, and it's got a tuner on it. The zone level on the front is a piece of cake. You disconnect your sway bars, you disconnect your shocks, you drop your axle, you take the spring out, you put the spacer up there in your spring boot. You put one bolt through it to hold it in place. You put your spring back up, you put your shock back up, and you connect your sway bars, and you're good to go, and you clear 35s. So in order to clear these 35s, we did have to do a little bit of metal trimming on the cab, and then of course we had to trim this plastic right here and a little bit of the inner fender, and they fit 35s just fine. Besides that, these Fury Country Hunter RTs, people are loving them. They balance great, they ride well, they have the aggressive look of a mud terrain tire, yet the tread pattern of an all-terrain. So it's the depth of a mud terrain, the tread pattern of an all-terrain, and people are really digging these hybrid tires. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. And if you want to order any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, the fender flares, the rails, anything for your truck or Jeep, please go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.